Underneath our feet, we're on a journey, history to meet. We're following the river, where will it go? Through the twists and turns, let's take it slow. The birds are singing, trees are swaying high. We're on an adventure, under the big blue sky. Oh, we're out and about, Dreflex leads the way. Discovering the past, come on, let's play. Roche Abbey's near, history we'll find. Where the river's so clear, let's explore on wide. Let's explore on wide. As we get closer, look what we see. Roche Abbey's ruins stand proud and free. Founded way back in 1147. A Gothic church reaching up to heaven. The great gatehouse stands from centuries old. Stories of monks and times untold. We walk through the past in these ancient stones. Every step we take, we're never alone. Oh, we're out and about, Dreflex leads the way. Discovering the past, come on, let's play. Roche Abbey's near, history we'll find. Where the river's so clear, let's explore on wide. Let's explore on wide. We found the waterfall, the stepping stones. The river flows well in nature's tones. We cross each step with a hop and a skip. This adventure's the best, what a magical trip. Oh, we're out and about, Dreflex leads the way. Discovering the past, come on, let's play. Roche Abbey's near, history we'll find. Where the river's so clear, let's explore on wide. Let's explore on wide. Day ends, the sun dips low. We've walked through time, now it's time to go. But the memories we've made, they'll always stay. Until next time, we'll be on our way. Oh, we're out and about, Dreflex leads the way. Discovering the past, come on, let's play. Roche Abbey's near, history we'll find. Where the river's so clear, let's explore on wide. Let's explore on wide. In 1147, the monks made their way to a valley of stone, where they'd work and pray. Roche Abbey rose with walls so high, a place of peace under the Yorkshire sky. 50 monks strong, with lay brothers too. They built a life so humble and true. But the years went on, and troubles did come. Yet Roche Abbey stood through storm and sun. Oh, Dreflex is out exploring Roche Abbey today. Through the ruins and the history we make our way. From the Gothic church to the gatehouse grand, we're stepping through time in this ancient land. Oh, we're stepping through time in this ancient land. Years rolled on, the Abbey's fate did turn. Sheep flocks lost as the fires did burn. The Black Death struck, numbers fell so low. The Roche held on with a gentle glow. Then came the king in 1538. The monks surrendered, the end was their fate. The buildings fell, but stories remain of Roche Abbey's glory and all it sustained. Oh, Dreflex is out exploring Roche Abbey today. Through the ruins and the history we make our way. From the Gothic church to the gatehouse grand, we're stepping through time in this ancient land. Oh, we're stepping through time in this ancient land. Oh, we're stepping through time in this ancient land. 100 years passed and the landscape was changed. Capability brown, with vision so strange. A lake, a waterfall, trees all around. The ruins now framed in a picturesque ground. Oh, Dreflex is out exploring Roche Abbey today. Through the ruins and the history we make our way. From the Gothic church to the gatehouse grand, we're stepping through time in this ancient land. 19th century, the past was revealed. Bronze designs were cleared, history unsealed, the abbey exposed for all to see. A monument now to a life of piety. Today we walk where the monks once tread, through meadows wild where the ruins spread. Roche Abbey stands, a memory strong of centuries past and life's old song. Dreflex is out exploring Roche Abbey today. Through the ruins and the history we make our way. From the Gothic church to the gatehouse grand, we're stepping through time in this ancient land. Oh, stepping through time in this ancient land. Walking around the ruins so grand, taking in the past of this ancient land. The grass is high where the butterflies play, fish in the river, swimming all day. We're soaking up the stories, every stone, every wall. Roche Abbey's history is something for the soul. With every step we take, the past comes alive. This English heritage where memories thrive. Oh, come on down, let's walk and explore. Roche Abbey's calling, there's so much in store. Bring the family, the kids and the dogs too. This place is perfect, just waiting for you. Oh, just waiting for you. The ruins stand tall, telling tales of old, of monks and kings and stories untold. Dreflex is here with the drone up high, capturing the beauty of the abbey sky. The meadows are wild, where nature runs free. With every turn there's more to see. We're walking through time with every stride. This place is magic, come feel the pride. Oh, come on down, let's walk and explore. Roche Abbey's calling, there's so much in store. Bring the family, the kids and the dogs too. This place is perfect, just waiting for you. Oh, just waiting for you. Oh, just waiting for you. So grab your shoes and step outside. Roche Abbey's a treasure, you don't need to hide. The river's flowing, the trees sway tall. It's a perfect day for one and all. Oh, come on down, let's walk and explore. Roche Abbey's calling, there's so much in store. Bring the family, the kids and the dogs too. This place is perfect, just waiting for you. Oh, just waiting for you. Just waiting for you. Oh, the truth is guiding, you'll see it all. From the ancient ruins to the butterflies' call. So come on down and bring the crew. Roche Abbey's magic is waiting for you. Oh, come on down, let's walk and explore. Roche Abbey's calling, there's so much in store. Bring the family, the kids and the dogs too. This place is perfect, just waiting for you. Oh, just waiting for you. Oh, oh, just waiting for you. Dreflex is out, flying the drone so high, capturing the beauty of the Yorkshire sky. Roche Abbey below, with its ancient stones, we're seeing history through the drone's bright tones. From the Gothic church to the gatehouse grand, every shot we take we start to understand. The stories of monks, the life they led, now we're sharing their tale, where history is spread. Oh, Dreflex is soaring, capturing the view. Roche Abbey secrets, we're bringing them to you. Come visit this place, where the past comes alive, with a drone in the sky. Let's take a dive. Oh, let's take a dive. Founded long ago, in 1147, a place of peace reaching up to heaven. Now the ruins stand in a valley green, where the drone flies high, showing all that's been. The waterfalls flow, the river runs clear, we're capturing it all, every angle's here. From the abbey walls to the trees so tall, Roche Abbey's calling, come one, come all. Oh, Dreflex is soaring, capturing the view. Roche Abbey's secrets, we're bringing them to you. Come visit this place, where the past comes alive, with a drone in the sky. Let's take a dive. Oh, let's take a dive. Showing landscapes wide, from Capillity round to the ancient side. Every stone, every path, every whispering tree. Roche Abbey's magic is what you need to see. Oh, Dreflex is soaring, capturing the view. Roche Abbey's secrets, we're bringing them to you. Come visit this place, where the past comes alive, with a drone in the sky. Let's take a dive. Oh, let's take a dive. So grab your gear and head this way. The Roche Abbey's waiting, don't delay. With Dreflex guiding, you're in for a ride. History's alive, let's explore with pride. Oh, Dreflex is soaring, capturing the view. Roche Abbey's secrets, we're bringing them to you. Come visit this place, where the past comes alive, with a drone in the sky. Let's take a dive. Oh, let's take a dive. Oh, let's take a dive.
Explored, we've seen the deal. Now it's time to head home, recharge the gear. But don't you worry, we'll be back, no fear. Oh, like and subscribe, hit that button below. Share with your friends, let everyone know. I appreciate your love and the journey we've had. See you on the next one, it's gonna be rad. It's gonna be rad. We've seen. Now it's time to rest, but keep your screen clean. Battery's low, but the spirit's high. We'll be back soon under the same blue sky. Oh, like and subscribe, hit that button below. Share with your friends, let everyone know. I appreciate your love and the journey we've had. See you on the next one, it's gonna be rad. We've seen. Now it's time to rest, but keep your screen clean. The battery's low, but the spirit's high. We'll be back soon under the same blue sky. Like and subscribe, hit that button below. Share with your friends, let everyone know. I appreciate your love and the journey we've had. See you on the next one, it's gonna be rad. It's gonna be rad. Thank you for watching, it means so much. but never goodbye.